In today's tutorial, we'll discuss how to set cell font size in Excel using C#. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on setting cell font and size using IronXL. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to customize font properties such as font family, size, boldness, underline, color, and more for cells in Excel worksheet using IronXL in C#. I've already installed IronXL in my project using the NuGet package manager. So let's open the program.cs file and get started. First, we will import the necessary namespaces. Then we will create a new workbook and access the default worksheet. This will be the sheet where we apply our font customizations. To begin, let's set the font and size for cell B2. We assign the string font and size to this cell. Then we set the font family to Times New Roman and the font size to 15 points. Additionally, we make the font bold and apply a single underline. These customizations help emphasize more important text or data in your Excel worksheets. Next, we move on to cell B3, demonstrating more advanced font customizations. We assign the text advanced to this cell and set the font family to Lucida handwriting. We also specify that the font script should be none and apply a double underline for extra emphasis. And then furthermore, we make the text bold and ensure that it's not italicized or struck out, and set the font color to a cyan hex color code. These advanced settings obviously allow for a high degree of customization to suit various formatting needs. So for the next part, we show how to change font colors for different cells. In cell B4, we set the text to color 1 and apply a cyan color using a hex code. In cell B5, labeled color 2, we use another hex color to set the font color to a shade of purple. Finally, in cell B6 with text color 3, we demonstrate using the Iron Software .drawing.color class to set the font color to red. This flexibility in color options helps make your Excel sheets really visually appealing, as well as easy to read. So after applying all these font settings, we save our workbook as font size and color.xlsx. This step ensures that all of our changes are preserved in the new Excel file. So let's go ahead and run the program and wait for the execution to complete. All right, so here is the output Excel file. You'll see that the specified cells in the Excel file now reflect the font families, sizes, boldness, underlines, and all the colors that we applied. This output confirms that our customizations were successfully implemented using IronXL. So this concludes our tutorial on how to set cell font and size. IronXL provides a powerful and flexible way to customize the appearance of cells in your Excel worksheets. So when you need to change the font size, apply bold text, underline important information, or use specific colors, IronXL makes it really straightforward and efficient. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronXL, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description, check it out for yourself.